I got a new toy I am beyond excited about. Meet the Grand Falls Pressure Washer Pro from Giraffe Tools. Here's a few things I love about this. Once you get it installed, it is always there for you, ready to go. You don't have to pull it out of the garage, hook it up to a hose. This is all hooked up and ready for you anytime you need it. It comes with 4 different nozzles that are super easy to use, ranging from 0 degrees to 40 degrees. One of my favorite features, the automatic retractable hose that keeps this whole thing nice and tidy.